In the last video, we talked about how linear functions are always increasing, decreasing, or constant. But functions that aren't linear, that aren't just straight lines, are probably going to twist and turn. And at some points they'll be increasing, and some points they'll be decreasing, or they could be staying constant. So the places where they switch from increasing or decreasing, we normally get something called a relative maximum or a relative minimum. So in this video, we're going to look at a relative maximum. So this graph right here, this parabola, is f of x equals negative x squared plus 5. And so if we think about walking along the x-axis from negative infinity to infinity, we see from negative infinity up to 0, we're increasing, right? We're going up to this highest point. So from negative infinity up to 0, we're increasing. And then we have our highest point. And that highest point, wherever we have the top of a hill, is called a relative maximum. Okay, and after that, we start decreasing. We're going down from 0, if we're walking along here, all the way to infinity. Now, the y value, so we're going to look at our relative maximum, our highest point here, which is the point 0.05. The y value is called the relative max. So we say the relative max is 5 at x equals, and that's where we put the x coordinate. So this is where we say, like, where it's at, the x coordinate. Okay, so that's a relative maximum. It'll happen when we go from increasing to decreasing, and it'll be a highest point.